I just want you guys to know that I made the first mistake of my entire life on this question here. I wrote a question, I couldn't even answer it. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna. This is an ideal gas law question, right? So PV equals nRT, right? Our R is 8.31 joules per mole per Kelvin, right? And then our N in this case is going to be 31.8 grams divided by for helium. Let's assume that, I don't know, I think there's other isotopes of helium, but right, which I don't really care. You can just divide by 4, but you know, later on we're going to do nuclear physics where we like it's 4.002602 is the isotope of helium 4. Sorry. Okay, so let's see. 31.8 divided by 4.0026. So I get 7.944 moles. Right, let's see. Our temperature is, we got to use absolute temperature. So 210 plus 273.15 is 483.15 kelvins. Let's see. And then the volume of the flask. How do I do the volume? Right? Volume is 4/3. And this is in the data packet, pi r to the third, right? We were all about that, right? And here's where I went. I thought radius was 0.17. Don't criticize me, right? It's the radius is 0.19. Okay, and then I only squared it. So, you know, sorry. I shouldn't say that because maybe you'll do that. Let's see, 4 divided by 3 times pi times 0.19, right? So that's 4/3 pi 0.19. A lot of people didn't see that I gave you the diameter, but, you know, I'll just keep giving you a diameter because that's, you know, obviously I can't do it, so gonna make you guys better than me. Let's see. Okay, so this is, as we might imagine, a physical object that we can hold in our hands is going to be like some fraction. I'm getting the volume is 0.02873 is good enough. Remember, that's a cubic meter. A cubic meter is a giant thing, right? Okay, so now we're just trying to find the pressure. So pressure times 0.02873 is equal to 7.944 times 8.31 times 43. All right, we can do this. Okay, let's see, 7.944. I'm going to grab that number. Times 8. I'm using the numbers in my calculator without rounding them, so if you get a different answer. Okay, and then I'm going to divide by that answer I just got, which again, our TI calculator gives me 1110244.23. Let's see, where would we put the commas? There we go. So 1.11 times 10 to the 6th pascals. Remember, Pascal is, you know, small unit of pressure. Anyway, that's what we get. And then it says, what is it in PSI, right? Assume it's the absolute pressure, right? This, by the way, is the absolute pressure, right? I'm going to divide by 1.013 times 10 to the 5th, and that gets it into atmospheres. That's our trick, right? We take this answer, we divide by that, multiply by 14.7. So the number on my calculator divided by 1.013, 5 times 14.7 is 161 psi. All right, there you go.